Hello all, I am Meenakshi, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Applications at Rohini College of Engineering and Technologies. In this video, we saw the concept of Android platform. Android platform. Android is an open source Linux-based software stack created for a wide array of devices and form factors. The following figures show the major component of Android platforms. The bottom to top level Linux kernel. The foundations of the Android platform is the Linux kernel. For example, the Android runtime relies on the Linux kernel for underlying functionalities such as threading and low-level memory management. Using the Linux kernel, let Android take advantages of key security features and let device manufactured develop hardware drivers for a well-known kernel. And this is the figure for the basic component in Android platform. The lower level is Linux kernel. Next one is hardware abstract layer. Next one is Android runtime. That means Dalvik virtual machines and native C++ libraries and Java API framework and system apps like our basic mobile applications or dialer, emailer, camera, calendar, clock, like that. The next level is hardware abstraction layer. The hardware abstraction layer provides standard interfaces that expose device hardware capabilities to the higher level Java API framework. The HAL consists of multiple library modules, each of which implement an interface for a specific type of hardware component, such as the camera or Bluetooth module. When a framework API makes a call to access device hardware, the Android system loads the library module for that hardware component. The next level is Android runtime. For device running Android versions 5.02 or higher level, each app runs in its own process and with its own instance of the Android runtime. Android runtime is written to run multiple virtual machines on low memory devices by executing Dalvik executable format files, a bytecode format designed specifically for Android that is optimized for a minimal memory footprint. Android also includes a set of core runtime libraries that provide most of the functionalities of the Java programming language, including some Java 8 language features that the Java API framework uses. The next level is native C++ libraries. Many core Android system components and services such as Android runtime and hardware abstract layers are built from native code that require native libraries written in C and C++. The Android platform provides Java framework APIs to expose the functionalities of some of these native libraries to Apple. For example, you can access the OpenGL through the Android framework Java OpenGL API to add support for drawing and manipulating 2D and 3D graphics in your applications. The next level is Java API framework. The entire future set of the Android OS is available to you through APIs written in the Java language. These APIs form the building block you need to create Android apps by simplifying the reuse of code, modular systems, component, and services, which include the following: a rich and extensible view systems you can use to build an application's user interface, including list, grid, text box, button, and even an embedded web browsers. A resource managers providing access to non-code resources such as localized string, graphics, and layout files. A notification manager that enable all apps to display the custom alert in the status bar. An activity manager that manage the lifecycle of app and providing a common navigation backstack. Content provider that enable the app to access data from other apps, such as the contact app, or to share their own data. System app. Android comes with a set of core app for emails, SMS, calendar, internet, browsing, contact, and more. Thank you.